and special raffle tickets now. Don't wait. Do not wait to get the raffle tickets. Don't miss out on this wonderful opportunity. So once you're on dry line, let's get those raffle tickets. Grab some food. Please thank me all around here today. Thank you so much.
Yeah, sure. Heat with somebody. Dance with somebody.